Okay, Mr. Wu, we're ready for the reservice on your 7005. We're past our servicing intervals, so it is time. We've already looked at this watch. We know what the basic deal is with it. Just want to make sure. There we go. I'll look at that crown gasket. Get this all done for you. Oh, right. Okay, we got those out. Okay. Oh, come on, stop it. There we go, thank you. Here's that. We've got some wear, some surprising wear to your lower mainspring arbor port. Interesting that came through. I need to jewel that lower mainspring arbor port. Yours is worn. It's interesting. Okay, means I'm going to have to deal with the upper one as well. I'm not sure what I can do with that, but yeah, because that's pretty worn. You can see it's right here. See this? That wear line right there, that's the mainspring barrel tipping over. So okay, there's your dial, off it in one piece. Dial ring. Okay, well, let me go ahead and do the lower mainspring arbor port machining on this. Okay, there's your lower mainspring arbor port jewel. It is in. You can just see it's sort of that semi-translucent purplish thing going on. I do it this way. I sight the hole through the lubrication port on the date wheel guard in order to help keep the alignment correct. It's a trick. There that is. Good. You can see that jewel again right there. Yeah, these 7000 series movements, they're so nice. All metal, fully jeweled. Really, really worth it. Come on, come out. never took out the center wheel bridge. And there's that. Now I just got to take the keyless works apart and yeah, basic stuff. Okay, let me take care of that and I'll get this cleaned and I'll come back probably when I'm running in the numbers. Okay, here we are. Movement is running. That's quite decent. That's one of the reasons why we love the 7000 series movements. They're just so great. They're so great. So this is the same adjustment it would have had when I serviced it the last time. So it is pretty close to what we would expect. It would help now that the barrel is not grinding against the framework of the movement in any place. Let me let's get this down a little bit. Drop that rate. Oop, that was probably way too much. Yes, indeed. That was probably way too much the other way. I like it to gain a little bit, though. That's probably way too much. Yeah, way too much. We went back to where we were. Back. See if I can get that a little tighter. Tap. That's nice. Okay, I wouldn't touch that. I wouldn't do anything with that. Leave that exactly as it is. Cool. No, I think that's good. I'm going to continue casing. For anybody who's wondering what that grumbling is in the background, if you're hearing that noise, it's my automatic cyclotron. It's my winder busy test winding a watch. I've only got one watch in the cyclotron currently, testing up at 6139. Okay, well, there we are. The watch is all together. These are the numbers that we're currently running. This stuff right here, that was me moving this stand around, so ignore that. It's also listening through the case, which sometimes makes it look a little hackier than it actually is. It's I mean, just fantastic numbers out of a Service 7005 that's nearly as old as I am, and you're getting numbers out of it that are basically the same as new Swiss. Like a new ETA 2824, 2428, whatever the hell it is, will give results like this. They're just fantastic movements. Okay, let's talk about it then. Now, normally this is the point where I would show you the parts, but there aren't any parts to show you because we just did a servicing. I did upgrade the lower mainspring arbor port, and I did a repair to the upper mainspring arbor bushing. There isn't a jewel that exists for that upper bushing, so what I do is I do a quick work to basically bring a new unworn face of that up around so it holds that straight up and down again. In alignment with the new lower mainspring arbor port. But that's about it. What a beautiful watch. What a fantastic timekeeper. I do have your strap, and it's a nice strap. I've never really seen an ostrich strap quite this nice. Very nice hostage strap. They're like, "Are you really doing that without a tool?" And I said, yes, I am. If I have to, I'll get a tool, but I shouldn't have to. There, beautiful. Delighted, very happy. Hope you will be too. Fantastic numbers. Thank you very much.